preparation of alcohols or OH. Here R is denoted alkyl group, OH is alcohol. So we can prepare from alcohol from alkyl halide. R is denoted alkyl and X is denoted halogen family. So this is called alkyl halide. Alkyl halide or X. Alkyl halide heated with dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide, we get alcohol. Let's see R plus X. This is alkyl group plus dilute aqueous NaOH. NaOH when heated we get alcohol and sodium halide. This is called sodium halogen or sodium halide. Here the R is alkyl group. So alkyl group always will be positive because this halogen group more electronegative element. X is denoted fluorine, bromine, iodine. R is alkyl group. So the alkyl halide going to split R plus and X minus. X is halogen group. The tetrad dilute aqueous NaOH. Again, this NaOH going to split Na plus and OH minus. When we heat it, we get ROH. So this is minus charge, this is positive charge or plus charge. So this OH going to pick up this alkyl. So we get alcohol. Again, this Na plus, because sodium has valence electron only 1, so fluorine is 7 valency. So this halogen going to pick up sodium. So we get sodium halogen or sodium halide. This is the preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide.